Hello, boys and girls. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus. We have two Sudokus left, a binary one and a tectonic one. Yes, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesdays, February 2021. We have for you a binary puzzle. And this will be number 300. Yes, 300. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. All right. So that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O. Here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one. Here no, there no. Then double one. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double one. Here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one. Here no, there no. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one. Here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one here, no there, no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one here, no there, no. Wow, finish in 2 minutes. This one is a quick binary puzzle without comparing. I like this one, boys and girls. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.